Hey, to perform the hard reset of your Galaxy Buds FE, first of all, you have to disconnect them from your phone. So click to disconnect and then tap to forget. And now input them into this charging case. When you do this, you will have to, let me just catch focus. There we go. So now you will have to close this case. And now just after a few seconds, open it one more time. And now gently touch on the both buttons together, on the left and the right one. And now keep holding. And as you can see right now, this indicator is blinking green and red, and it means that it is actually performing the hard reset. So after holding it for like 10 seconds, you will be able to release both buttons. So let's wait. Okay, now release and close your case. Now just be sure that you restart Bluetooth on your phone. And for example, if you want to repair them, just open this case one more time. And now they will be in the pairing mode. So click to pair new device and open as and select them from the list. Now accept the pairing. And as you can see, that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.